So looking at the back, it wants you to graph an equation with roots 0 and -6 if the maximum point is -3, 4. Remember, we said a root is a solution, it's an answer, it's a 0, it's an x-intercept. It's where it's going to cross the x-axis. So we have two roots, which means we're going to have 2 points on the x-axis. Go to where x is 0 and make a point. Go to where x is -6 and make a point. So here's 0, and then -6 is going to go to the left. You always start at the origin when you count. We also have a maximum point at -3, 4. Just go plot this point. So we're going to go left 3 and up 4. And that's my maximum. That's the high point. You just draw a parabola, a curved line, if you will, through those points. Put arrows on the ends, and that's all there is to it. So looking at number 6, we have roots of 2 and -5. We have a minimum point of -1, -4. So we're going to go over to 2 and make a dot. We're going to go to -5, which is to the left, and make a point. We have a point at -1, -4, so left 1, down 4. And once again, you want to hit your points, you want to curve, you want to get it as close to perfect as you can, but I'll be lenient when I grade. And that's all you have to do to that. Let's take a minute and go back to the other page, and I want to show you a second way to solve. If you're struggling with the second Calc 2 and figuring out before and after, there is another way. Remember, you start by putting it into y equal. So I've got x squared minus 2x minus 3. You have to put 0 in at y2 for this way. And then you would do second Calc 5 for intersect. So second Calc 5, let it draw, enter, enter, enter. Now look and see, and I went too fast, let me do it again, second Calc 5, enter, enter, enter. And my solution is 3, 0. Look at your calculator, at your graph, and see where it's at. It's the one on the right. So 3, 0 is the solution. It could also be written x is equal to 3. Means the same thing. You've got to go through the same steps again to find the other one. So second Calc 5, before you start pressing enter, go over by the other solution. We know it's over here where it crosses the x-axis again. Get close to it, enter, 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 and -1, 0 is the other solution. Could also be written x equal -1. I don't care if you write the answer as points or if you write x equal, x equal. I care that you put two solutions. You've got to do it twice. While we're here, let's do a quick reminder about the vertex. The vertex is the low point or the high point. It's where it changes directions. This is a low point, which means it's a minimum. So I'm going to go second Calc number 3 for minimum. You got to be to the left of the vertex, and I am, so I press enter. Go to the right until you go past the vertex, and I'm past it now. Enter, enter. No set spot to be as long as you're before and after or left and right. Probably going to want to round on this, so this would be 1, -4. Remember that if you happen to have something like y minus 2x is equal to x squared plus 4, you got to bring this 2x over here before you put it in your calculator. At y1, you would have said x squared plus 4 plus 2x. Also remember that f of x means the same thing as y. So if instead of a y here, I had put f of x, I do everything the same. Okay, makes no difference. All right, take your time. Look at your notes for your steps on the calculator. If you have problems, call me over.